Welcome back. Money Bags Rico. Today we'll be talking about build your dream finance, that BYDFi. I'm also going to show you guys with the link down below how you guys can get $100 added to your perpetual contract account. You're not going to want to miss out. Yesterday we were live streaming and we're in the profits. And right now we're in a trade that I'm going to show you guys mid video that we're in the green as well. So you're not going to want to miss out for that, and use the link down below. And you guys, with any tiny amount that you add and pass KYC, you guys get $100 to your perpetual. You guys wait for my channel to go live and we're going to make profits together. We know some people are using other exchanges as far as it goes, like with KuCoin. We know that there are restrictions for people in the United States and Canada. Yes, you can use them or whatnot, but there are some limitations as far as how much leverage you can trade. And that's why some people, opt for BitMEX or FEMEX, and they have okay leverage, but it's really hard to find something that has over 100x leverage. And on this one, we have 200x. Now on the trade we're doing right now, because obviously I'm recording this video and we're doing our due diligence, we're being smart, we're watching it on some other screens, we're not putting the leverage that high, right? But we got 200x leverage that has the potential on BYD Finance. And also, some people are going towards Kraken, but the problem with Kraken is 90 pairs, 45 derivatives, but it doesn't even have SHIB on there. So leave some comments down below if you're part of the SHIB army. If you want to trade SHIB, we got it on BYDFi. You guys are not going to want to miss out on that, right? There's also some stuff that I'll show you on a video that I'm going to do on my phone, some BYD points that you can earn to get some airdrops in SHIB. So make sure you guys got the bell notification lit and you guys are subscribed to the channel. Leave some comments down below if you guys are going to trade with me later on when the channel goes live. So we also have copy trading availability on BYD Finance. But the best part about this is that there's no convenience for the maze of exchanges that we have. If you're a beginner trader, you spend half the time trying to figure out where the activities work out better on what exchange. If you're a pro trader, you got to trade between 4 or 5 different exchanges just to make sure that you're not getting any unnecessary losses, and also gain access to certain assets. Like we were talking about how Kraken doesn't let you trade SHIB as far as a derivative pair, and the limitations of KuCoin. But this is not a sad video about the unfortunate predicaments of crypto traders. This is a video about how the demand for convenience stimulates better products to appear. This video is about BYDFi. Like I said, we're in a trade right now. We're trading maker down. So if you guys want to see that, we're about to do that in just a second. But BYDFi offers a huge selection of spot trading pairs and perpetual contracts, providing users with various trading opportunities. And I'm giving you guys a different opportunity that a lot of other YouTubers are not. You guys be able to use the link down below, deposit any tiny amount, $5, $10, and pass the KYC, and you'll get $100 added to your perpetual contract. And we'll be doing a live stream later on where we're going to make profits together. We're going to do this. We're going to build your dream, and we're going to do this together. So we got over 150 different derivative pairs on BYDFi. We have perpetual contracts, of course, which we're going to be trading. They have very low slippage, settle in USDT or other cryptocurrencies. Now, this is something that I believe a lot of people are overlooking. The liquidity and the depth are similar to those of Binance. Now, what does that mean, right? Because there's not a lot of people breaking that part down, and that's important. What that means is if you've ever been on an exchange and you put your order, and for whatever reason, even though it says that price, the order's not going through, the liquidity is not there. The depth is not there. This is similar to Binance, and we're going to show you guys when possibly we exit this trade that we're in right now. Or if you guys tap in with the link down below, and when I do the live stream, you'll have $100 in your perpetual account, and you'll be able to do it with me side by side while we're doing the live stream. So just some opportunities right there. We're also going to mention how there's no KYC for up to 0.5 BTC. Now, if you pass the KYC, obviously you get to withdraw 10 BTC, and you also have $100. So you don't really got to put none of your own, I guess, big money into something to get $100 and to see what we're going to do when we trade. So, this is a part where we can check some things out. And you know what? Let's just go check it out right now. Let's go do some trading. Let's go look at what we got as far as maker down. So let's let this load up. And it's loading up. Obviously BYDFi is secure. It's got dual authentication with Google Authenticator. We got offline deep cold storage wallets, powered trade aggregation engine. So, excuse me, that helps the orders go through a lot easier, and the spread not being that far apart. So we see that we're right now $13 down. Make sure you guys subscribe, have the bell notification lit, because this is going to change for sure. We got this on a really good dip, and it's actually okay. So we got this on a really good dip, and it's actually 11. Let's refresh this. So we'll refresh this really quick. Hey, we're recording the video. I'm going to show you guys what's going on. But like I said, it's safe. This is something that you guys want to check out. I'm also going to do a video on my phone talking about BYD points. You're not going to want to miss out on those if you're somebody that's interested in Sheeb, because they're going to be airdropping those people who do certain tasks with Sheeb if you do these tasks, okay? So let's just go to a different window. So here we are. That tab was frozen for whatever reason, but nonetheless, let's go to MakerDAO. So this is where we're at. We've seen it flickering into this is where all the pairs are at. So we're trading MakerDAO. We placed some bids. We got a total of $152 in the margin. You guys will see where this is going to be by the end of the day. So you guys are not going to want to miss out. Use the link down below so you guys can participate. It's not financial advice, but this is how you guys can tap in with me and earn some money as well. So like I said, there's that opportunity. I'll make a separate video on those BYD points, because I'll do it on the phone. So like that, you guys can do it and see how it's done. But you guys can see right here that's pretty simple. We got an API by TradingView. We got the super trend. We got the moving averages on there. You can come right here, come to the indicator section right here. Oops. And, you know, put in the volume. I think this is OBS making things go slow right now for whatever reason. But we are still in the green, and that's going to keep climbing. That trade is going to keep going up. You will see. So, you know, you can add your volume. You can make that a favorite. So like that, you don't got to search so far. You can go ahead and put